Namaskaram. Today is World No Tobacco Day and the theme is protecting children from tobacco industry. According to 2022 data, worldwide 37 million young people 13 to 15 years of age are using some forms of tobacco like e-cigarettes or nicotine pouches. And why is tobacco industry targeting youth? Just for money, making more money. They don't want to focus on dying and quitting people. They want younger generations, and that is why they are making these very affordable so that these guys can buy. Isn't that dangerous? And how are these even getting addicted to cigarettes? Stress levels. Yes, for sure. Educational, professional, family, relationships, what not. Different kinds of stress are leading them to getting used to the tobacco products. Peer pressure, somewhere or the other. They are literally pressurized by their friends, colleagues, and style. They think it's a style to hold on to a cigarette and give a nice pose. And also FOMO, feeling of missing out. If they are in a gang of people who smoke and if they don't, then they feel missed out, so they start smoking. Please know that you can always say no if you don't want to smoke. And what exactly WHO is saying is 8 millions each year die, out of which 1.3 millions are non-smokers. Please understand, this is the reason why when I want to party and socialize, which is not wrong, I really don't want to be a passive smoker. Everybody should understand that they can have isolated areas for smoking. Don't be lazy to move on to these isolated spaces just to smoking come back. Be concerned because you love your friends, you love your family. Definitely make sure people don't get into this passive smoking. What exactly happens when a person smokes? Nicotine and carbon monoxide, which are the main ingredients of these cigarettes, affects the circulation and heart. Peripheral artery diseases starts happening, which means plaque gets accumulated in the limb arteries, your hands and legs, which reduces the blood flow to the limbs. This can lead to pain, numbness, infection, ulcers. People might just feel dizzy and they faint also. Now, all these small issues leads to reproductive issues, lung cancers, atherosclerosis, increase in the blood pressure, cardiovascular diseases, and leads to heart attacks. We don't want that, right? And let's imagine if someone is diabetic, if they don't move their body much, don't do any kind of physical exercises, if they already have hypertension or poor cholesterol levels, please understand these will attract more cardiac conditions, but they won't help you in any way. Now, let's come to the females who smoke cigarettes along with their boyfriends, with their friends, husbands, family. Everybody, please understand this is the main reason. It causes irregular, painful menstruation, leads to early menopause, infertility, mood swings, fatigue, vaginal dryness. The moment you see these symptoms, stop smoking. If at all you are looking at becoming a mother, understand that this leads to smoking, leads to infertility, stillbirths, and infant mortality, low birth weight. And why is all this happening? Because of reduced oxygen supply, reduced nutrients to the body due to again the same carbon monoxide and nicotine. And slower growth happens when, if at all you're pregnant and if you still smoke, the baby doesn't grow well. It leads to reduced development of the baby's organs and increases the risk of birth defects like cleft lip and cleft palate. Now, there's something very interesting that our researchers have also told that baby's movements decreases for at least 1 hour after a mother smokes. That's so sad, right? Please think about your baby too, because they once come onto this planet, they also have to have a great life. Now, if you are thinking it's only about you, no, smoking kills the planet, leading to pollution, soil degradation, deforestation, adverse climate changes. It spoils the soil, beaches. I see people just smoking and throwing the cigarette butts everywhere. Just imagine how many animals might be ingesting them, how many birds might be taking them, and even it might affect the aquatic animals. Please take care of your own planet on which you are surviving. And then, if someone wants to party a lot, please understand one thing, that This cigarette smoke or the chemicals settle down on the surfaces of food, clothes, your skin, your hair, on the tables, and everywhere. And do you really think that these pubs, clubs, do they sanitize and sterilize these areas, cleanse the air, atmosphere? No, not at all. So please be very careful when you actually order your food. Don't smoke there. Go into an isolated area, smoke, and come back if at all you can't leave smoking right away. And now coming back to what is the main reasons tobacco was grown, because there might be few people who want to say, then why are we growing tobacco? Please understand, once upon a time, tobacco is used as an antiseptic for cuts and to stop bleeding. And not only that, tobacco teas were used for intestinal worms. Very few benefits. But why do you think China and India are the largest countries which are producing tobacco right now? Because farmers are, attracted to the incentives and subsidies that are shown to them, and they are literally not growing food but growing tobacco. Please reverse this, grow more food and not tobacco. And I want to end this video by saying, if at all you stop smoking, what happens to you? Within 20 minutes, your heart rate and blood drops. BP drops, sorry. Within 12 hours, your carbon monoxide levels in the blood drops to normal. 2 to 12 weeks, blood circulation increases and lungs function also increases. Isn't that amazing? 1 to 9 months, coughing, shortness of breath reduces. This is how you can reverse all the side effects of smoking, tobacco, nicotine, and carbon monoxide. I really wish everybody thinks of the next generations, thinks about themselves, of this planet, and be conscious and have fun, but not at the cost of your own health, not at the cost of this planet's health. Take care. Bye bye.